In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the replay feature on Tradingview. By the end, you'll be comfortable simulating past market actions so you can practice entries, review decisions, and see how indicators respond as each candle unfolds without risking any real money. First, open the chart you want and choose the time frame you plan to study. The replay will use the bars from this time frame, so picking it up front keeps your view consistent. Now, to activate the tool, click the bar replay button in the top toolbar. As soon as you do, you'll see a blue vertical line with a small scissors icon appear. This is your starting marker. Move it to the point in history where you want the simulation to begin. Then click on the chart. Everything to the right of that point is hidden for now, giving you a clean, forward-only view of what happened next. A floating control panel will appear, and this is where you'll run the simulation. Use play to let the candles print automatically, just like live market action. If you want to take a more methodical approach, press pause anytime. While paused, you can still move through the chart with precision. Click forward to advance one bar at a time. This is perfect for examining how price reacts to levels or how your indicator signals actually triggered in sequence. To control the pace, adjust the speed setting. Slower speeds help you study nuanced price behavior faster. Speeds are great for scanning through quiet periods or getting to key events more quickly. You can change the speed on the fly as your focus shifts. If you need to jump to a different portion of the chart's history, use the jump to option and enter a specific date. This instantly resets your starting point to that date, so you can begin a new simulation without leaving replay mode. Just make sure the date you choose has data available for the symbol and time frame you are using. Throughout the replay, your indicators and drawings will update only with the bars that have played, letting you see exactly when signals appear rather than knowing the outcome in advance. It's a great way to pressure test a strategy using the same information you would have had in the moment. When you are done, exit replay by clicking the real-time button to return to the current market, or click the X on the replay toolbar. That's it, you've just learned how to activate replay. Pick your start point, control playback, jump to dates, and return to live data.